Hi guys, welcome back to the Careers Portal, and I'll be giving you a guide on how to apply for Eskom jobs. So if you're interested, keep watching. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships, and bursaries, as well as any information you may need about studying and your future career. Are you interested in working for South Africa's leading energy provider? Well, Eskom is always looking for highly skilled people who are committed to making an impact in South Africa. Eskom relies on the skill, experience, proficiency, dedication, and enthusiasm of the employees to meet industry challenges and build a successful business. Okay, let's get into how to apply for Eskom job vacancies. The first step is to visit the Eskom career website. This can be found by going to the Eskom website, click on careers, and then click on available vacancies. Here you'll find a list of the Eskom jobs available. Click on the job you're interested in to view the job requirements and its responsibilities. If you want to apply for the job, you will then need to click on the Continue to Apply button. You will then need to sign in or register if you don't have an account to apply for the job. You will then need to follow the instructions and provide the information and documents needed, such as a CV and maybe a cover letter. You can find tips on how to create a great CV and cover letter on our channel and also on our website www.careersportal.co.za.
It is your responsibility to check that you have captured your important information correctly when applying, so that potential employers can reach you easily and offer you a job opportunity. Take into account that some of this information that employers can ask for can include a cell phone number, email address, home address, your education history, your previous employment history, and, depending on the job, a portfolio of your previous work. All of this is important in following the recruitment process, procedures, and systems. Inconsistencies relating to an outdated phone number or email address or your previous employment history may steer employers away from hiring you and won't present a positive view of you as an employee.
You should submit your latest CV with your most recent position and outline everything you can about your most recent role. Another tip for your CV is that if you've been out of work, you'll have a gap in your employment history. To turn this around, show that you use that time productively, such as with personal projects. Comment down below your job search tips, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.